Okay, I think I know what they're talking about. So there are two. So there's one screw over here. Yes, actually four. So one screw over here, one screw over here, one screw behind this, which is smaller, which is, you have to line it up. And then you see it, it's over there. And then one screw over here, which is also kind of behind there. So the three are of one size, the larger size, and there's one tinier one. So we have the larger size on our drive already. So we're gonna do that. This looks like it's been taken out before. Or it might have been because our friends at Rancho Mirage Audi had it this car before I got it back. Okay, let's do, there's one behind here, which, interesting. How am I supposed to reach that? Because this thing is too thick, so Allen key. Let's hope that I'm strong enough to do this. This bit, highly unlikely. It has to be this guy. Okay. This may be a challenge.